Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sebastian. I am the CEO of Sow Your Seed Today, and the owner of this channel. Here in this channel, my goal is to help you avoid scam sites, and also to provide useful and trustworthy resources and tools you can use to build a profitable and long-term online business. If it is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to activate the notification button. This way, the time I will upload a video, you will get notified. Today's video is about a review of the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge. I want to stop by and share my opinion about the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge with you. So, if you have been introduced to this program, and you want to know if this program is worth it or not, you are in the right place. For full transparency, I have joined the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge in order to have an inside look and provide my honest opinion about the program. So, this review is not based on research, and I am here to show you the overview of this program so that you can see by yourself if this program is the right program for you or not. What to expect from me in this review. In this video, I will show you what the program is about, who is behind it and his business track record, an inside look at the program, and my final honest point of view. What is the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge about? The 3 Days Business Breakthrough Challenge is a 3-day affiliate marketing training designed by Jonathan Montoya. The program teaches you how to build your own affiliate marketing business from scratch in just 3 days. I will show you what you will learn during these 3 days later. But before that, let me show you who is the owner and his business track record. Jonathan Montoya is the Freedom Breakthrough owner, a full-time digital marketer, entrepreneur, YouTuber, and content creator. Before Jonathan started doing business online, he worked as an electrical engineer. But he wanted more freedom and start looking for ways to make money online. He found affiliate marketing rewarding, and he launched his affiliate marketing business in May 2019 during the COVID-19 pandemic. A business he managed to take from $0 to $10,000 per month in just 9 months. Currently, he quit his 9-to-5 job and works full-time online. And what he shared in this program is the same blueprint he followed to have success in affiliate marketing. And what is inside the training? Here is what you will learn during the 3-day challenge. Day 1. Day 1 is an introduction to the affiliate marketing ecosystem, and the core principle and process to follow in order to build your 6-figure affiliate marketing business. It is a 53 minutes video long, and everything about affiliate marketing and the fundamental steps to follow is inside this training. You know, if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you have to do it the right way. Day 2. The Day 2 video is a 1-hour video. By the end of this video, you will be able to have your business up and running. It is about affiliate marketing, funnel building, email marketing, and email automation. On Day 2, Jonathan will show you click by click how to build your 6-figure affiliate marketing business from scratch. You will be learning how to choose a winning offer to promote, how to build your marketing funnels, landing page, bridge page, etc. How to set up email campaigns and automate your business so that you can have more time to enjoy with your family or focus on others part of your business. Day 3. The Day 3 training is about traffic generation. Once you have understood how affiliate marketing works, the core principle to building a profitable affiliate marketing business, and once your business is up and running, you have to send traffic to your funnels in order to generate leads and sales. And this is what you will learn on Day 3. Day 3 is over 1 hour 38 minutes long, and Jonathan throughout this video will teach you how to drive traffic to your funnels you have set up on Day 2. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. This is one of the most important parts of the training because without traffic, you can make any money. You will learn how to video marketing using TikTok, one of the fast-growing social media platforms to drive traffic to your funnels, YouTube, the number 2 search engine to drive targeted traffic to your funnels. There is also Google Paid Ads for those who want to leverage Google Ads to promote their offer. So, this is what you will be learning during these 3 days. Now, how much does the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge cost? The 3-day Business Breakthrough costs only a $7 one-time fee. And here is what you get for your money. access to the 3-day business training that is a complete blueprint and step-by-step training that will help you build your business and start generating leads and sales. Jonathan's 6-figure affiliate funnels, his 7-step super affiliate blueprint ebook. This ebook comes with a white label, right? That means you can use it to build your own email list or do whatever you want with it. The top secrets emails, a copy of Jonathan's 6-figure emails, and even more. As I said, the training costs $7 a one-time fee. And after I have gone through the training videos, I got value for my money.
If you are struggling to succeed with affiliate marketing, or if you want to learn how to do it the right way and get results faster, this training is for you. Does the program work? Here are students' testimonials. And inside the private group, there are also dozens of testimonials in the private group. So, it works. Only, like any business, you have to put the work in, if you want to get results. If you don't work it, it won't work for you. It is simple like that. There is no push-button system. For what you get for your money, it is worth it. After this training, you will know the principle and the core process to follow in order to build a profitable affiliate marketing business, how to build high-converting funnels, and automate your entire business so that you can free up your time. You will also know how to drive traffic to your funnels, and generate leads and then convert these leads into buyers. On top of the training, you have access to the bonuses I have mentioned previously in this video. This is where you can find your bonuses. There is an affiliate program in case you want to promote the offer, and it comes with a 50% commission. If you also want to get help, you can submit a support ticket here. There is also a Facebook private group where you can connect with like-minded people and get any support. Okay, this is an overview of the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, and if you want to get started, see below this video in the description section. There is a link there to access the training. And in full transparency, this is my affiliate link, and if you make a purchase throughout this link, I will get a commission from your purchase without any extra cost to you. If you like this video, don't hesitate to give me a thumb up, leave a comment. Subscribe if it is your first time on my channel, and don't forget to activate the notification button. That way the next time I will upload a video you will get notified. As a reminder, the link is below this video in the description section. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.